Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we'll be drawing the Blue Ranger from Power Rangers. So we start along the top center page with the visor. Let's start right in the middle with a V. We come down from the left and then back up. Now I want to curve the visor going up towards the side of the head. So we're going to start with the left side and go out and then bend that up and just mirror that over on the right side. Now let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw the bottom of the visor. We're going to come down, go across the middle, and then bend that up towards the right side, towards a point. Now on either side, we're going to add a glare. Starting from the top left, bend this down, and then in towards the bottom. Go to the right side, and do the same thing. Let's go back over towards the left side. I'm going to draw the lower half of the head, starting up here. Just going to curve this down, come in towards the middle. Now I want to bend this across, and then up towards the right side of the visor. Let's open up the area around the mouth. Starting on the left, just going to curve this up and then down. On the ends, draw a straight angle line coming down towards the chin. And I'll follow this curve across the bottom. Now we're going to place the mouth along the inside. Starting on the left, bend this up and then down. Add a bracket going around the corners of the mouth. And then just underneath the mouth in the center, add a small curve for the lower lip. Now I want to draw the side of the head going up towards the horn. Starting from this point, bend this up and then in to right about there. And it'll bring the horns coming in towards the head. So on the left side, curve this down and then up. Let's go back to the outside. Just going to round this out and then bend that in. Curve this down and then in towards the point. Let's close off the top of the head. We're going to connect these 2 points of the horn, going up the middle, go across, and then back down. Let's add that center horn. Start with a point right in the middle, angle this down and out toward the left and the right side, and we'll close off the bottom with a half circle. Let's add the eyes on either side underneath the horns. We're going to start with a straight angle line coming in. And we'll tuck the eyes in underneath on the outside, curve this down, just tuck that up, leaving a little overlap along the inside. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the center of the visor. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start on the left side underneath the head, then the body going out and then down towards the hip. Go to the right side and do the same thing. And we'll connect the hips with a curve, coming down and then up. Now we're going to move up and draw that same curve to the top of the belt. And we'll connect the top and bottom right in the center with an oval with a buckle. Let's go out to the side, draw one line coming down on the left and right, and then we'll fill the outside area of the buckle in black. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to add the collar from left to right, coming down and then up. And then we'll add that pattern inside the body. We'll connect the hip to the center of the collar with a straight angle line, and come down towards the right hip. Now I want to take this and flip it over. So in the center of the buckle, going up and then out. Let's go back to the buckle, step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a small gap in the center. We're going to go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side. We're going to come down and then up towards the outside of the foot. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve the foot, going up, and then bend this down, aiming towards the heel. Looks almost like a half circle. And then we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. So right out here, curve this out and then down on top of the feet. We're going to add a thick sole across the bottom of the foot, so we're going to duplicate that same curve just above. Now from the top of the foot, we're going to step up, add a curve for the edge of the boot on both sides. Now we want to add that same pattern along the top of the boot. So let's start from the top of the foot, angle this up towards the edge, then angle this down towards the inside. And we're just going to line that up on the right. And we want to take that same shape and flip it over on top. So we're going to start from the top left, angle this down and in toward the top of the foot, and then go to the inside. Let's add a pouch on the right side, going out, down, and then back in. Now I'm going to go halfway down the side of the body and draw the inside edge of the arm. So I'm going to start halfway down on the left side, and it's out and then down towards the wrist. Do the same thing on the right, going around that pouch. Now from here, draw a small half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Let's add those 3 fingers on either side. So we start from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to bend this down and up around that bracket, step down, curve the second finger, and then the third finger, we're going to bend this all the way up, and then tuck that in underneath the head. Now let's go halfway along the inside of the arm and then draw the edge of the glove. Bend this up and then out. And then again, we're going to add that same pattern across the top of the gloves. So we're going to connect the top corners of the glove, coming down towards a point, and then up. And now we're going to go in the opposite direction, starting from the top of the thumb, going up towards the middle, and then down towards the outside. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw the Blue Ranger from the Power Rangers. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.